Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to mute audio in Canva video. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, just continue using your Google account. You can use your Facebook. You can even use your business or working email. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, muting audio in Canva video can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, if you plan to overlay your video with background music or audio narration, muting the original audio can prevent conflicts and ensure that the additional audio elements are clear and prominent. Obviously, muting the audio allows viewers to focus solely on the visual content of the video without being distracted by accompanying sound. This can be particularly useful for instructional videos, slideshows, or presentations where visuals are the primary focus. Also, if the original audio contains background noise, interruptions, or unwanted sounds, muting can help improve the overall quality and professionalism of the video by eliminating distracting elements. Now, for us to be able to mute any video here in Canva, all you have to do is, if you are here on the left side panel of your video, or of your dashboard, you can simply go to design, or you can create a new template or a new design from here. Let's click on that. Click on the three open menu here and create a new design. Or simply, why not? Let's put a video right here. And this so you have two options. You can create a new design or upload a new design, or if you're already working with a design, just continue working with it. All we have to do is click on the elements and click on video, and as you can see, you can go to the graphics, photos, and videos. Obviously, we're going to the video. Now, obviously, this video contains an audio, and I'm not gonna include that in this tutorial because we're going to be demonetized, or we're going to encounter any copyright problems. But for the purpose of this training, just click on the volume right here. Okay, so every time you do this, click on that and make it on 0. Now, you have the option to have your video or audio of your video muted for the entirety of the length, all right? If it's 10 seconds, the audio is going to be muted. Now, when you click on share, right, and you click on the download option, all right, when you download this video, basically the audio is already muted. So you have that option as well. Even if you don't want it, you can simply share that on your socials. Basically, the video is already muted here. All right. And again, you can trim this video to the styling of that you wanted. But matter of fact, that's how straightforward and easy it is to mute audio in Canva video. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.